Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whichever applies to you. Kenneth Baum here. I have already posted for you a welcome video introducing myself to you and welcoming you to the course. So I'm going to go straight into showing you how to navigate Moodle. Right, since Moodle is the learning management system for this course. All right, so you go into the sign-in screen on Rockingham Community College. You find students over here and you find Moodle. I'm going over here, of course, so you're going to sign into Moodle. All right, and my courses, go to your course. Right here, okay. Find your course. And right now we're looking at Introduction to Chemistry, CHM 131, Section 840. All right. So let me just do something real quick here before I get into that. So, all right. Okay, so here we go. Here's the first thing you'll see when you open up that course, your Welcome Start Here page. All right. Here as you scroll down, you'll find announcements. Okay, so it would be a good idea to keep an eye on the announcements daily. I could be putting various things in there. Most often it's going to be a reminder of an exam, an assignment, or just other information. So keep an eye on your announcements. Scroll down here, you'll see the required enrollment assignment video that you have to complete. All right, so you have to complete that by right here, 11:30 p.m. on May 28th. Right, May 28th, 11:30 p.m. You must complete the required enrollment assignment. If you do not, you will be dropped from the course. Okay, and then down here you see your welcome video by me, just welcoming you to the course. All right, and then let's go down to course information. Okay, here you'll find the syllabus acknowledgement statement. You also have to acknowledge that you have read the syllabus. That's also required in order to access the content of the course. All right, you will find that right here where it says course syllabus and course schedule. It will be posted right there by the time you need it. All right, there's your syllabus acknowledgement statement. There's information about me, my contact information, and my student hours. Monday, Wednesday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. But that's going to vary week by week. I just had to put a couple hours in there that I may be available, but I want to let you know that those could be changed every week. And then my biography here, just where I graduated, affinity identification. And here's the online class guide. That will help you be successful in the course. So I would open up the online class guide and read that, every word of it. It will help you know what you need to do in order to be successful in the course. The course description, maybe you read that when you was signing up for the course. And the learning objectives or the learning outcomes. There's 9 of them listed here. You could read those. And then down here I just have some other documents, important math principles, conversion factor problems, crash course chemistry, 100 most important chemical compounds, and special terms about molecules. All right. So there's the course information page. All right. Next we come down to tutoring services. Okay. So we got access to free online tutoring in dozens of subjects, as you can see here. And again, I recommend that if you're looking for tutoring, right here, RCC's Academic Resource Center, please contact them to find out about tutoring. They will be happy to explain to you everything about tutoring. So contact the Academic Resource Center, which we just call the ARC. All right, let's get into the course content. So here we see Module 1, right? There are going to be 16 modules for this course. You need to complete 2 modules per week to keep up in the course. Right? And again, this is all explained in the online guide that you should read. All right, so let's click on Module 1. Okay, So here we have Module 1. First, we have some brief instructions about completing Module 1. Right here. So you'll read those, okay? Down here, you'll see that as we scroll down, you'll see Module 1 objectives. And then you will see a textbook reading assignment, pages 1 to 16 for Module 1. Right, scroll down, you'll see Module 1 video. This is a YouTube video with an interactive question for you to answer. And then down here, you see where it says Module 1 PowerPoint slides. PDF version and PowerPoint version. These are the same document, just one's in PDF and one's in PowerPoint. So whichever one you choose to open. Right? And then we come down here, chapter 1 textbook problems. Here, these problems from chapter 1 covers module 1 and 2 in the first part of module 3. Okay? So those are practice problems, and practice problems are not going to be turned in for grading. They're simply that, practice problems. If you go here, right there, and you can open up that list of practice problems right there, and you can see all those. So those are just practice problems for you to work out. The answers are in the back of the book. All right, as we scroll down, then we see quiz number 1. Quiz number 1. You will click on that link, and you will take quiz number 1. Okay? Now, they have due dates, and the due date will be listed right here when it is assigned. Okay? But since this is a summer class, and you should be completing 2 modules a week, then you should be also completing 2 quizzes a week, unless it's an exam week. Then you'll complete a quiz and an exam. All right. And then we have down here the forum, Module 1 discussion with classmates. Here you can ask questions, answer questions about the class. Most often you will be discussing this with classmates, but one classmate may have some really good insight about a concept, and may have something to share about that. Like I said, ask questions, answer questions, just a way to communicate with your classmates in the class. All right, so for each module, just scroll down and just do everything in that module. So we go to, let's go over here to Module 2. You should be completing Module 1 and Module 2 the first week. And it's got the same arrangement here. The brief instructions, the objectives, the textbook reading assignment, the YouTube video, the PowerPoint slides, and then the quiz, and then Module 2 discussion with classmates. Okay? All right. And then Module 3 and 4 are not posted yet. I'll have them up very soon. But this gets you started in the class. All right. Now, let's go over here to look at, let's see here, Open Grader. Right? Open Grader. Nothing to display yet, right? There's no grades in there, so I don't have anything to really show you there right now. But keep an eye on your grading section, because this way you can keep an eye on how well you're doing in the class, and keep an eye on that Moodle percentage. That, like I said, that keeps you informed about your performance in the class. All right, so that's all I needed to show you here, just how to navigate Moodle. And if you have questions about that, just contact me, email me, and I'm sure I'll be able to help you. All right, thank you for watching, and I will hear from you or talk to you here when summer starts, and that happens to be the summer class starts on May 22nd. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you later.